This is Jay Stager from Coal Country Vines and Wines. Today I'm going to talk about wine glasses. We're going to talk about that right now. Okay, so now these are 4 different wine glasses, and believe me, you can find another 1,000 different types of wine glasses. But these are the 4 most common you're going to see around here, with one exception. The little tiny taster that a lot of wineries serve their wine in. They're very small. They basically hold about that much wine, and they are stemmed, but they don't hold much wine. They're cheap. You don't get a very good experience out of them, and your meal will just not benefit tremendously from them. Now, this here as an ice wine glass actually works out pretty well, because ice wine has so much aroma and so much flavor, you don't need the big glass to keep that experience going. So now, the second glass I'm going to talk about is this stemless glass, which is the trend right now. A lot of people really like these glasses. I don't, because your hand warms up the glass, and it can warm up the wine as much as 10 or 15 degrees, which to me, drinking warm wine, if it's 75, 80 degrees, is not a great experience. And it will detract from your Thanksgiving dinner if you serve it in there. However, some people like the glass so much, they just ignore the problems with it, and it might still be a good choice based on just that. This, on the other hand, is designed for wine. You hold it by the stem. You hold it actually low on the stem. The temperature of the wine will never come up. There's a nice bowl on this glass so that there's a very large volume of air above the wine. So when you swirl this, you get a great aroma from that wine, and it makes the wine drinking experience all that much better. This is the middle of the road. This is a very affordable glass. It's very durable. It's not going to break in the dishwasher, and you will give your guests a very good wine drinking experience. This glass, on the other hand, this is the better glass. This one gives you the best wine drinking experience because it's got such a large volume. This is actually a Burgundy glass, which I like all the wines out of this glass, even though it's designed for a deeper red. This glass looks good on your table. It's a great wine drinking experience, and it just makes the wine taste so much better that this is the one you really would want for your Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, and remember, if you like these videos and you feel you're getting value out of them, please push the subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified, you can push the notification button. Also, it'll tell you in your YouTube channel notifications that we put a new video out. I'm Jay Stager from Coal Country Vines and Wines. Happy Thanksgiving.